Hi, welcome back, professionals and students. Let's try to understand in this video what is the basic difference between SAP consultant and end user. Okay, so this what actually happens SAP SD or PP or else QM, whatever the module you take. End user, okay, consultant. First, we will try to understand. Consultant will do the take the requirements from the customers. Okay, based on the requirement, he will do the configuration and customization, and if required, he will try to change the objects according to the business requirements. Or like like G programs and user exits and BAP is bad is a lot of things will be there, and that will be handled by consultant to prepare a package according to the convenience of your customer. End user is not going to do any configuration. End user is not going to do any customization or object change. But end user, what he can able to do, he can able to do the, if any, after go live, after system handover to the customer, live data, he will try to organize it. So organize it, and he, if required, he will try to create new customer master, material master, or condition records or condition record changes, or else purchase orders, purchase info record, material info record, or else GL accounts and GL accounts, FI side, whatever the master data it is there, that they are going to do cost center and profit center. So all relevant master data he can able to access depends on. So now you got it out. Do we have only one end user? It depends. Like so on OTC cycle, probably like one end user, and side P2P like a different end user. It depends on the client budget and all those things. Now you got a question. What is the advantage to work with end user? For example, someone is there like an invoice processor. He continuously do the billing documents and try to do the GL account postings, and this is his objective as an end user. Do you think that end user is a small job when we compared with in terms of donkey job? Okay, consultant will take care a lot, and end users also will do the same in terms of quantity, not in terms of quality much, but end users also will have more salaries when you compare with consultants or equal in foreign countries. Suppose if you go to the UK, you are working as an end user, you may earn equal to or more than that consultant salary. Canada, if you go, you can able to earn. But don't tell that end user is cheap, like how Indians are paying like 10,000, 20,000. But if you go for top MNCs like Honeywell, and if you go for Unilever, and if you go for any top companies, Bench and all, they're paying like more than 50K plus. So end user job is also like not a small job. It is a very good job actually. But only difference is that one application is went live, end user is going to act on that. Don't think that end user is small. Sometimes you will try to capture the requirements from end user only. This is the basic difference between your consultant and end user. Okay, I think you got some understanding. So that's all. Okay, so probably I think you learn something with this. I told you right already in my previous videos, my course is available for your understanding. So if you try to see this, like for example, so if you type my name, okay, you can try to get all the courses from my side. You can see SAP S4 HANA Simple Logistics, Business Partner Concepts, SAP ECC and S4 Expert. Okay, this is advanced course, and I have this. This is the course. This is also course has a depth actually to learn about SAP pricing, and this is a more important course. Now it became like 77 hours. It is 198. It is going to get updated time to time. If you are not yet to industry introduced, this is the course beneficial for you how to write a functional specification, especially in support projects, enhancement projects, and 100% for real time implementation projects. This process should know I have given 2 scenarios for your understanding. You better go through this course section by section. I explained actually. Okay, so this is all about the courses which I have. So I'm giving all the links for S4 HANA and ECC. If you find some time to just take your time and go through these links, and if you feel that which are apt for you, you can subscribe and to enhance your knowledge. Thank you very much. Have a great time. I wish you all the best. More importantly, Jai Hind.